Hello class 3. I'm Ishita Dekhisha. How are you? Hope you are all well. I'm also fine. I miss you very much. Do you miss me? You can answer it in the comment box. And do you remember the ghost named Nikanto? He is now alone in your classroom, missing you. He came to me yesterday and told me. Today, we shall do a lesson on how to read a passage carefully and how to answer the questions based on the passage. There is a passage in your English for Today book, page number 4. Let's begin. Take your English for Today book, open page number 4, take a pen and a notebook and get ready. Are you ready, children? Let's begin. Let's begin reading. This is Mahabub Alam. Have a look. I have written Mahabub Alam in red so that I can remember the information. You can underline it in your book, Mahabub Alam, so that you can remember the information. He is 30 years old. 30 years old. I have written it in red color so that I can remember the information. You can underline in your book 30 years old. He is an English teacher. English teacher is written in red color. You can underline it in your book. He works in a primary school in Norail. Primary school in Norail is written in red color. You can underline it in your book. So we have read the passage. Now the question. Number 1. What is the person's name? Number 2. How old is he? Number 3. What does he do? Number 4. Where does he work? Do you know, children, whenever I am reading this, I am missing you all. In the class, if I am in the class, you would be asking many questions to me. The question words. In the class, we have discussed many question words. Here I have written only 3 because in the passage we have only 3 question words. The first is what? What? Asking for information, specification, specifying something. This is very easy for you. Number 2, how? In what manner or way? Number 3, the third one, where? In or to. In othoba to. What place or position? If I want to know where do you live, I will ask you, where do you live? So on and so forth. Now the passage and the question answers. Have a look. I have written the passage, some words in purple color and some sentences in purple color. I know most of your favorite color is purple. That's why I kept it in purple. Number one question, what is the person's name? The person's name is written in red color because you can directly take it in the answer. The answer is the person's name is from the passage, the purple color first sentence, Mahbub Alam. Number two, how old is he? You can take the answer directly from the passage, sentence number 2. He is 30 years old. Number 3. What does he do? You can directly take it from the passage, sentence number 3. He is an English teacher. Number 4. Where does he work? You can directly take it from the passage, number 4 sentence. He works in a primary school in Norai. So easy, isn't it? I know you'd be telling me this. Teacher, this is so easy. We could have done it. I miss you all very much. Wow, we have done a lesson on question answer on a scene passage and the revision work on the passage I have given it. Next time we shall do another QA passage on that is surprise. Till then, bye bye children.